Hi everyone. So I'm Mary Sprimuli. I'm a speech and language pathologist and I'm the owner of Voice Aerobics. And today I just wanted to make a little video to talk about the BlendJet, which is this great little blender that I recently purchased. So a few weeks ago I had a couple of dental procedures, including having a wisdom tooth removed. And so I knew I was going to be on very, very soft food and liquids for a few weeks. I'm not somebody who normally likes protein drinks, a lot of shakes or smoothies, but I figured I better start thinking about what I was going to eat over these couple of weeks. So I have a Vitamix, which is a really heavy-duty blender that will pretty much pulverize anything in your kitchen. But I didn't want to drag it out all the time. I wanted something a little bit smaller, something that I might even be able to take to my office. And so I found the BlendJet. And I am not a salesperson for this company, but it's just a great product. And I think that in particular, for anyone who has it's been recommended because of a swallowing problem that you be on pureed food or thickened liquids, this might be a really great, inexpensive kitchen tool that will allow you to be sort of creative and have a hand in your own care. So this is what it looks like, and it's kind of designed to be a self-serving container, and it holds about, I see here, 450 cc, so about 2 cups. What I have in here is something that I've been making a lot, and that is I use chocolate almond milk unsweetened. I have a couple of ice cubes in there, a couple of frozen grapes, a little bit of banana. You could really use any kind of frozen fruit. That's going to add a little bit of texture and frothiness. And then you blend for 20 seconds. Pretty straightforward. It's rechargeable. So I didn't time that, but should be about 20 seconds, and the charger goes right in here. The manufacturer says that it will give you about 15 uses before you have to charge it. I haven't really counted how many times I've used it before I've charged it, but I know I've used it quite a few times. The drink comes out nice and liquefied. If you needed to even do it more, you could run it another 20-second cycle. If it's not thick enough for you, so you've been adding a thickener, a gel or a powder thickener to your drinks, this would be the time to add a little bit. You can blend it again and then just let it sit for about a minute so that it gets to the consistency that's been recommended for you. I'm someone who likes a lot of texture, so I like crunchy vegetables, crusty bread, so it's really hard. It was hard for me to think about basically a puree diet for a while. But what I would do is steam my vegetables first, add them to the BlendJet, use a soup stock, so it could be a canned soup, it could be a cream soup, or even a chicken noodle or chicken with rice soup, and then I just blended a cycle, and what the end result was just a nice thick stock. So anyways, you can go to their website and check it out. It's $49.99 with free shipping. Again, I'm not a salesperson, but I just think it's a really cool product. And I know that as someone who's worked as a speech pathologist for 3 decades now, that when you're having to recommend to someone to modify their diet, often that's not something that people are happy about doing. But I think that something like this can make it actually kind of fun. You too can be creative. And in fact, if you're someone who uses a feeding tube and makes your own formulas, this would really be great. And particularly if you're on the go, you can just pop it in a little cooling bag and take it with you or take it to your office. So anyways, I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you for your time.